This is the contract that we just created. Here you can view all the details that were added inside the contract. If you scroll down, you will see this details section about the payment. So in payment details section, there are multiple columns that you are seeing right now. The last column is of invoice status. This invoice status means rental invoice. So we have a logic for the rental invoice. The logic works like this. A rental invoice will be generated automatically for the contract that has a status either approved, planned, or active. It will be generated if the payment date has been passed, like already passed, or if the payment date is equal to current date, then it will be generated automatically. We have an auto job that basically runs daily at 5 a.m., which basically checks the contract status and it checks the payment date if it's in the past or if it's the current date. Now, let me show you how you can create this rental invoice or like manually. You can search for the rental invoice on the top menu, or you can click on finance, and after clicking on the finance on the top, on the side menu, click on leasing, and in leasing, here you will see the rental invoice. In order to create it manually, go to the plus icon. Here you will have to select the tenant against which you are creating this particular rental invoice. It will basically load the contracts that you have against this tenant. So we have only one contract, so select that. Then inside that contract, it will load all the payments against which rental invoice has not been generated. So if you see installment one is missing because we have already created a rental invoice against that. So for now, I will create a rental invoice against security deposit and admin charges. To confirm it, it will automatically load this section in the table below where you can verify it. I will tell you about the other fields that we have. The most important field that we have particular in this rental invoice is called transaction date. Whatever date is selected in transaction date, on this particular date, we are going to send the GL entry that I'm going to show you in the reports. So this is the rental detail. You can see the subtotal, you can see the tax amount, you can see the total and balance due. Once you will save it, it will create a rental invoice for you. Now see, rental invoice created successfully. Now we have two rental invoices against this same tenant. In one rental invoice, there is this installment one. In the second rental invoice that we created just now, it's admin charges and security deposit. Now, if we go back to that particular contract, you will see that in front of these admin charges, security deposit and installment one, the invoice stated would be generated. Now, if I go back to the rental invoices, I can do multiple things as well with this. First thing is I can print it. Click on print and it will load the invoice for you. The information, what was added, the company name, phone number, email, and TRN, whatever you information you give in the company setting, it will load over here. And your logo as well. Right now, we didn't had any logo for you guys. This is why it's showing as a dummy logo. You can cancel this as well. Upon canceling, the status will basically change to cancel and it will basically pass a reversal entry in the GL as well. What do I mean by the GL? So we go here, click on general. Here, if we select so